Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be making some easy origami butterflies like the two here. Put them aside. So you're going to need is a square piece of paper. The size doesn't really matter. I just have some small paper. I don't know the size. Oh, actually it says here 11.7 centimeters times 11.7 centimeters because it's a square. So yep. So to start off, what we're going to do is we're going to fold it down the middle like this. And then we're going to do it the other way. Then what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half like this. And then we're going to do it in the other direction. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make it into a triangle base. There's two ways you can do it. You can either just do it like that and push the sides in, but that's harder. So what I'm going to do is the easy way. What you do is you just fold it back like this, lift up one side, then you do a push, then you do a squash fold like that. This way is easier than the other way. It's not as fast. So if you're making something bigger, you probably wouldn't do it, or you're making a lot of them, you wouldn't do it this way. Yeah. So now we have this here. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it like this. We're going to fold down these sides here, but not all the way to the middle. We're going to do it so it's slightly off the middle line like that. You can see slightly off like that. We're going to do that on both sides, so this side as well. And then you can just do that to however you think it looks good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to flip it over. We're going to lift up this side here. Now you don't want to do it too much because you see here it's barely, it's too much and that's lifting up. But you still want to do it enough that they slightly bend in like that, but only slightly. And you have to make sure that you have some of that sticking out the top like this, and then you fold it. Now you need to fold this corner, the top end, down like that, just like that, just over there, fold that. And then what you're going to do, the last step, is you're just going to fold it in half like that, just directly in half, because then that gives it a little bit more shape. And then you slightly unfold it and you're done. So when you fold it in half, it makes it keep its shape like that. And then that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Comment what you want me to make in my next video, because I'll make whatever, or nearly whatever you guys want me to make. Bye.